Well, I was right in the middle of taking a shower, and all of a sudden, the alarm goes off in the hotel, and now people are going down the fire escape. Hopefully it's a false alarm, so I can go back and get ready for the podcast. Hopefully everybody's okay. All right, we're going to Dramas. Not sure where it's at. Maybe Young and Reckless office, maybe warehouse. John's setting up the nav.
The sexiness.
This, of course. How'd the day go today? I feel super important. We're going to Beverly Hills! Where's it at? And I'm super motivated to get super shredded for the Arnold when I get back. And I stopped by one of my favorite places. I don't know if you can guess where I'm at, but anyway, I wanted to let you guys know I trained with O'Hearn, stopped by to see Arnold, and it was, it kind of motivated me to go back to Ohio.